measure out how much of the treatment you want to use. For the purpose of this video, we're going to use all of it, and we're going to pour it into this oil applicator. Then we're going to shake it to lightly combine all the ingredients. Then we want to heat it up for a more effective result. And this is the most important step. It has to be hot, or else you just will not get the benefits of the hot oil treatment. To get a heat-safe mug like this, that is about the same level of the hot oil treatment, and you want to pour boiling water into this mug. You want to pour in boiling water to about halfway, and you want to let that sit for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, your oil should be nice and hot. We're going to discard of this water and pour new boiling water into this cup just to maintain it throughout the hot oil process. You want to lightly shake to combine the ingredients. And now you're ready to start your process. So now we're going to show you how to actually apply the hot oil treatment. So you want to start off with a section as big or as small as you want. We're just starting off with a section like this. And all we're going to do is get the applicator bottle, and we're going to start from the root of the hair. And we're going to lightly start to massage it into the scalp, like this. And when you're not using the hot oil treatment, make sure to put it back into the hot water bath just to keep it warm. Once it's fully applied to the root section of the hair, you want to work your way down like this. And when you get to the end, you can apply even. I would actually focus on the ends because that's the oldest part of your hair. And that's usually the part that needs the most treatment. So at this point, you can lightly finger detangle your hair. I wouldn't recommend to get an actual comb and start detangling it, but you do want to loosen up the section, especially if you've had a protective styling for a while. And once that section's done, you can twist it up and put it back into a bantu knot. And you're done. You just repeat the process throughout your hair, and you can leave it to sit anywhere from 30 minutes to 48 hours. Okay, so once you've done that, it's advised to put on a shower cap. Some people like to put cling film around the hair because the oil drips down and the cling film just stops it from dripping everywhere. And the reason why we put the shower cap on is to retain the heat. That way all the lovely ingredients inside of the hot oil treatment will really penetrate into your hair. And once you're done with your hot oil treatment, your hair should feel really, really moisturized. Make sure you turn on our post notifications so you don't miss any more of our videos. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope that helped. Bye!